Hey everyone, my name's Christy. Welcome to my corner. Thanks for joining me for an unboxing of the Forbidden Fiber Co. Princess Bride cross-stitch box. So excited. So the Princess Bride was a formative movie in my childhood. I am wearing the shirt. Hello, my name is Inigo Montoya. You killed my father, prepare to die. I have redecorated a little bit, so I have my As You Wish picture embroidery, which was one of the first things I ever made in embroidery. And I have the box, and I have not fully opened it yet, because I wanted you to see the sticker that it hurt my heart to cut through, but I could probably cut through the bottom, but I meant to cut through the top. So we're going to pop it open. I'm going to pause you while I pop it, so that way it's not too loud. Okay, I'm back. So I haven't done an unboxing in a long time. I stopped getting boxes and I just have not had them. So here we are, and there is a card in here for a summer mystery adventure stitch along with Jumanji, which was not one of those formative movies for me. So I'm probably not going to get this one. But I love Forbidden Fiber Co. boxes. I get the Forbidden Fiber Co. advent calendar every year. I just like how she works it. So, oh, so cute. Look at that sticker. Except it goes this way. It's a Dread Pirate Roberts. Oh, I love it. I wish that I could save it. I'm going to try and save it a little bit. Nope, I'm not. I'm ripping it open. Okay, so let's just read it. From the Princess Bride. I'm not going to, it has what's inside on the other side. I'm not going to talk about it. Once upon a time, there was a group of women who wanted to make a box devoted to one of the greatest love stories of all time, The Princess Bride. And oh, what fun it was to make. The Princess Bride is the story of a swashbuckling farmhand named Wesley, accompanied by companions befriended along the way, who must rescue his true love, Princess Buttercup, from the odious Prince Humperdinck. If you purchase this box, chances are you're quite familiar with the narrative. When designing this box, it was fun to include as many unique tidbits from the movie as possible. There's so many amazing quotes and moments from the movie that it was hard to pick. Oh, and I will hashtag. We would love to see you open your box. Use the hashtag FFC Princess Bride to share and especially to show us your projects as you stitch. Okay. Sorry, that was probably very boring to hear. So many things. Okay. Look at that things. Okay, let's look at all the things. Yeah, I love The Princess Bride, formative. That and like Monty Python and the Holy Grail are like my two childhood movies that I'm still obsessed with. And they just make me happy. So we have a bunch of flosses. Look at these. Let's go through these flosses real quick. We have Big Apple. Diamond. These must go to a kit because I don't know that these make sense with the movie. Diamond. Obsidian. True Love. Oh, it's indigo, not inigo. Indigo. Cliffs of Insanity. Broomstick, which is a little bit greener than that. It's kind of a greeny gold. Frost, and last but not least, Bark. So some of these are clearly themed around the box and some are not. Okay, so that's the start. Oh, I love it. It's a bag. Inconceivable. Not capable. Oh. Adjective, not capable of being imagined or grasped, mentally unbelievable. Not what you not what you think it means. I'm sorry. If you know The Princess Bride, that's hilarious. And oh my god. It's a peanut. Okay, so when they're on the boat, they're doing rhyming games, and what's his face? Fazzini says, "No more rhymes now, I mean it." And Fezzik says, "Anybody want a peanut?" It's like one of the best lines. Oh my god, this is amazing. I love this so much. I can't. I'm dying. I can't even. Dark chocolate covered almonds. I'm assuming these are the pills that bring Wesley back to life because he's only mostly dead. That Miracle Max makes for him. Who is Billy Crystal, who is like an icon? I'm assuming that's what it's from. But what that has to do with it. Okay, we have 2 buttons. One is marriage. Marriage is what brings us together today. Marriage, that blessed arrangement, that dream within a dream. Okay, so fun fact, I officiated my little sister's wedding in October. It was so hard to not do this. Okay. And then the 6-fingered man. Oh, so good. This is so good. So happy. And then, of course, a needle minder, an As You Wish needle minder. And that's what this says. This says, As You Wish. I'm going to show you. As You Wish, with the picture and a weird flower. I was practicing different stitches. But look at the picture. And it's on, and I put it on ships for the Dread Pirate Roberts. Oh my goodness. I'm so joyful about this. Oh, this is an excellent tin to put things in. I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. I can do it. I can do it. I can do it. And then, oh, this is so good. This is the pattern. Has it got any sports in it? Are you kidding? Fencing, fighting, torture, revenge, giants, monsters, chases, escapes, true love, miracles. It has it all. There's an ROUS. Fred Savage was the little boy who was in Wonder Years and other things. And then Peter Falk was the grandfather who was Columbo. And those of you who know me know I friggin' love Columbo. When I got my job here, the gift I got myself was all of the Columbos on DVD. Further fun fact, when I got promoted my first time, I bought all of Jessica Fletcher, Murder, She Wrote. That is fantastic. And granite is the color. And so this is, this is basically the kit. And this is a 32 count Belfast linen. I'm sure I chose it. I do like a 32 count. Okay. So that is the pattern with the colors, and this is the fabric. And then she started doing lip gloss, so some lip gloss. Oh, friends. Oh, friends. Whoops. Hilarious. Sorry, all the things stuck to this. So I'm so happy with this. And this is a big piece too, I think. It's an 1/8 of a yard. Okay, so it's an 1/8 of a yard, plus a pattern, plus some goodies, plus all the floss to go with the fancy floss. And I'm sorry, I can't even with this bag. I cannot even. The peanut killed me. All right, friends, that is the box. And I hope that you enjoyed opening it with me and my sort of ridiculous, overreaction, which I know seems absurd, but I love this movie so much. And this bag kills me. Hilarious. Love it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks, Leanne and the Forbidden Fiber Co team for making this excellent box. And I will see you in my floss tube on Friday. Bye.